lock stitch sewing machine. We offer you a simple and beautiful body design sewing machine, equipped with a direct drive servo motor with a 4,000 RPM maximum speed. Low noise, little vibration, and energy saving for a good quantity of production. An easy stitch length setting from 1 to 5 millimeters. A stable and fast reverse stitch to create a beautiful stitch with all types of fabric and textiles. An oiling system to keep the machine clean for a clean, beautiful fabric. And an automatic bobbin winder. Use our product to have great and efficient